Good day to my future employer. I am Robelin Kilungan Espada. I'm 32 years old. I live in Philippines. I am a single parent. My daughter is 14 years old. I finished 6 months caregiving at Polytechnic College of the Philippines. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait to Mr. and Mrs. Al-Majid. My main duties is to do household work like cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, and ironing the clothes. I also do take good care of their child. The first one is 6 years old, the other one is 7 months old baby. I treat them like my own child. I do play with them, sing a song, feed them, and sometimes I tutor. I want to work in abroad because I want to earn money for the sake of my daughter in my own future. I am hardworking mom, honest, trustworthy, loving, and caring. And if you choose me, ma'am, I promise to finish my 2 years contract and do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you so much, ma'am, and have a good day.